Hi boys and girls. Today we are talking about persuasive writing. And in the story, Sophia tries to persuade her family to get them to buy her a giraffe for her birthday. So I want you to think about, have you ever persuaded someone to do something? Maybe you persuaded someone to play with you, or maybe you persuaded someone to buy something that you really, 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 really want. An example is maybe you really, 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 really want a new game to play, and you tell mom and dad, please, 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 I really, really need it. And then you give them some good reasons why you might need that game. Okay, so today when you're doing your writing, it's kind of like just writing an opinion writing, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is explain what it is that you want. And then you're going to list 2 or 3 good reasons to get what you want. I want you to think of something that's really going to make somebody buy you that, okay? You can't just say because it's fun or because it's cool. Come up with a good reason that mom or dad or whoever isn't going to be able to resist to get you what you want, okay? And then lastly, you're going to restate what it is that you want. And this is why I really need a new Nintendo Switch, okay? So this is just going to help you today with your writing. And remember, it's just like, excuse me, it's just like writing an opinion paper, okay? Only you're trying to get someone to do something that you want them to do.